He is not yielding. Mr. Vinay Viswam, please take your seat.
I don't even
Please
need to
take your
refer
seat.
to papers.
Please.
When we went into complete lockdown, this country
There
did
is
not
no
make,
nothing is going.
this country did not make a single ventilator. We did not produce PPEs. We did not even have masks. We flew in 1,900 tons of medical equipment initially, and then as part of the Atmanirbharta spirit, we started manufacturing each of these things and exporting them. Is that an achievement or not? Loose talk is coming here about us exporting vaccine. Do you know what a vaccine is? Many of your leaders turn around and talk about vaccines as if it was something that you can go to your neighborhood chemist and buy off the shelf. Do you know how many people in the world, how many manufacturing facilities produce the vaccine? You can count them on your fingertips. And what were we doing as a political class? There are 2 vaccine manufacturers in India who initially were involved in the manufacture of vaccines for COVID-19. Bharat Biotech, a domestic manufacturer, and when the government, my colleague, the Honorable Health Minister Mansukh Bhai, and his predecessor, when we were sitting in the GOM, what were we facing? That there was a repeated chorus coming from the Congress party and other parts of the political system. Why are you giving accelerated permission to Bharat Biotech? अभी तो इनके clinical trials नहीं हुए, अभी तो ये नहीं हुआ, अभी तो वो नहीं हुआ. Who was fueling vaccine hesitancy? अभी मेरे एक साथी ने कहा कि आपने तो उसको बीजेपी वैक्सीन बोला, और मैंने कहा ड्यूरिंग प्रेस इंटरैक्शन, मुझे तो बहुत गर्व है कि आप बीजेपी को क्रेडिट देना चाहते हैं फॉर व्हाट आवर साइंटिस्ट्स एंड मेडिकल प्रोफेशनल्स हैव डन. बी माय गेस्ट. द सेकंड वैक्सीन मैन्युफैक्चरर, Serum Institute, which is producing the Oxford Zeneca vaccine. This was research, AstraZeneca, research done at Oxford University by scientists, medical professionals, developed by AstraZeneca, pharmaceutical company, and Serum Institute was one of the